Good afternoon, Kurt Capra here with your daily recap for today, Friday, May 12th. Hope you guys had a great trading week, and like I said at the morning call here today, it's been a really slow, tight, range-bound week, and unfortunately, that didn't change here today. If anything, it got even tighter after yesterday looked, somewhat encouraging. We had the sharp drop followed by the rally through the rest of the day. Little bit of a tick up in volume relative to what we've been seeing, but today it was just, again, the mirror opposite. Tighter range, lower volume, really just a very slow day in general. But I mean, this is the life of a day trader, right? This is what we deal with on a day-to-day basis, the ups and downs. And right now, volatility's been tight. But we'll see if this contraction doesn't lead to an expansion here sooner than later. I mean, just with how tight things have gotten, generally that's what you expect. After a period of low volatility, you get an expansion in that volatility. So, at this point, it's just a game of patience, waiting for that time when it's right and you get movement. Now, that being said, the market, yes, it's been flat and sideways, but there have been pockets of opportunity. I mean, you look at the chart of Macy's yesterday after earnings, sharp drop. There was nice opportunity there, getting additional follow through today. You have Kohl's. This one was a little tricky because it gapped up above the range and then just got sliced right down through the bottom of it. You got JCPenney today with earnings coming out similar to that of Macy's. Nice move lower. So, retail is one that has been moving here of late, but there have been other areas as well. Oil's been moving, so you've had a couple days of movement higher, and as I highlighted in the morning call today, noted that it was into resistance. So I think the upside here is now getting a bit limited, and we did get some weakness here today. It's been able to rally through the course of the day, closing with this bottoming tail. So maybe it tries one more attempt higher, but it is into this area that, as I said, we want to be paying attention to as far as weakness and price maybe rolling over, coming back to test this 950 level. As far as gold, got a little bit of a bounce here today, but I think this sets up for a measured move lower, coming down to this 114 area, retesting this prior low here from mid-March. So that's what I'll be looking for there in gold. So like I said, I mean, the bottom line is there has been movement in individual names, helped along, of course, by earnings, but there have been the go-to names that just have been moving regardless. Apple, for example, has just continued to be an absolute beast, pushing higher here yet again today. And as offered in the morning video, this was one I said just watch it on an intraday basis. I wouldn't be holding it over the weekend, but definitely offered some nice intraday opportunity to get long. Facebook was quiet, not much there, but does look like it's getting ready to move. You have Netflix, which negated yesterday's weakness nicely here, so we reversed course there. You got Tesla, which has been absorbing this resistance up at the prior high nicely, getting ready for what should be a push higher next week. Baba had some decent intraday action. So as I said, it's not as bad as it seems if you know where to look. And of course, Scott's morning note, being in the VTF, those things are going to help guide you throughout the day and navigate the waters there. But this is, as I said, the life of a day trader. Swing trading's a little different, but in any case, it is what it is, and we'll see what happens next week. So with that, hope you guys are ready for a weekend here. Hope you have a great one, and we will talk to you next week.